get ready to short the market. What's going on, guys? It's Ricky here with TechBud Solutions. I know I can't be the only one thinking this. How much more can the market run before it actually begins to pull on back? Let me go ahead and start sharing my screen with you guys. We haven't opened a position today. We've been staying super patient with the Learn Plan Profit team. We saw during the pre-market session, we pretty much opened break even, and then TQQQ has continued to form higher highs and higher lows. I do have a new indicator here. I was going to ask you guys, do you guys want me to break it down? I can make an exclusive video just for the indicator and the purpose behind it with these buy and sell signals that it sends out. I'll leave it up to you guys. If you guys get this video to over 1,000 likes, I'll make that video for you guys just so I break down the indicator and how you can add it on your platform. But one of the things that I want to talk about is first, why is the market going up? This is the part that baffles me, and I don't know if it's just me. You guys let me know in the comment section. The market is indicating signs of an uptrend and it's forming higher highs because the president and Congress are set to be able to come up with a solution for the debt ceiling crisis. The reason that this is insane to me is, okay, so we have this debt ceiling crisis, meaning that the U.S. might run out of money. They need to borrow more money. They need to increase the limit. Congress needs to pass that. This has happened before, right? And when there is no issue, it literally has no effect on the market. We just increase the limit, and if anything, normally, by increasing the limit, that's not the best for the dollar, so therefore the dollar normally drops. It's not the best for our overall economy, but again, more money is being made, right? Right now, we are seeing the market rally and act in a bullish way because what? Because we're not going to default, and that's a good thing. That is what should already be factored in, right? Yet, every headline, every news article, all they're talking about is possible, solution ahead for the debt crisis. And this is the part that's just insane to me, right? But nonetheless, we're staying patient. And this is one thing that we talked about within my live trading session today, is how many times have you entered a position way too early? There is no question. I don't think anyone here will question the idea that, with the RSI being at 77, NASDAQ is super overbought. It's super overvalued based off of recent patterns. It is going to correct itself. And this is why I'm getting ready to short the market once we actually get that confirmation of a pullback. But it's also very naive for someone to think that, okay, just because the market is overbought, it means that I should open up a short position right now. Just like we saw yesterday and just like we saw right at market open, something being overbought does not mean that it has to pull back right now, which is why we preached waiting for confirmation and waiting for the actual sell signal to actually present itself. Again, I'm going to be keeping our LPP team up to date. There's no open short position as of right now. I just wanted you guys to be aware of what my plan was as or before I actually, end up opening a position. And you guys can let me know in the comment section. Do you agree with me or do you disagree with me? And share in the comment section. Why do you think that the market's going to continue to rise? Or why do you agree with me that you think that the market is going to actually end up pulling back and correcting itself? Based off of recent patterns, again, almost on every single time frame, RSI is extremely overbought. We are pretty much approaching or surpassing 52-week highs. I don't know if you guys saw this, but we just surpassed highs that we made back in August of 2022. So right now, the NASDAQ market is at 52-week highs. And again, that deserves or has earned a round of applause, no question about it. But now the market is high enough. Tomorrow, Jerome Powell is going to be speaking. Tomorrow, we have our free live trading session, right? This is going to be at market open. But tomorrow at 11 a.m. Let me double check. 11 a.m. Eastern time, Jerome Powell is going to be speaking. I was thinking about hosting a free live for that as well. You guys can let me know down below. There's just a lot going on, not just with why the market's rallying today, which doesn't really make sense, but a lot going on tomorrow with our free live trading session right at market open where I give away $1,000, and then we have Jerome Powell speaking at 11 a.m. So I'd be more than happy to host that live. Again, waiting for my signal so I can jump on in, or my sell signal so I can wait for that proper confirmation of QQQ actually indicating signs of a sell-off before jumping in too early. Two things, right? Just because something is overbought does not mean that it has to pull on back. And although this video is going to be titled something along the lines of getting ready to open up my short position, Again, you need to be super patient, right? Allow this thing to run up. Allow this thing to become even more overbought. The more overbought it becomes, the more money we can make on the downside. Wait for that confirmation. And again, look out for your future self. How many times have you burned yourself by getting in too early? There's no question that the market is extremely bullish right now and it's struggling to pull on back. So don't burn yourself by jumping in too early, hoping for something to happen when all you really need to do is wait for confirmation. I hope that it earned a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing. Again, I'd love to make that video based off of this new indicator that we have set up, and just get this video to over 1,000 likes and I'll make it happen. If you guys want to join our free live trading session tomorrow on Friday at Market Open, which is going to be May 19th, where I'm going to be giving away $1,000 cash, you can save your free spot. It's absolutely for free to watch. It's the first link in the description down below. If you have any questions about that, shoot me a direct message via Discord. And do not forget, this is prize week. Our GTR giveaway is coming to an end. If you want to learn more about this, it's the fourth link in the description down below. We're giving away a prize with every single order placed today and for the next 3 days. And again, prize week is coming to an end. So make sure if you haven't entered already, get your entries while you still can. I appreciate your time. Hope that earned a thumbs up. And like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.